Door Installation Guide. What tools are needed to install the door? Check the completeness of the product before installation. Cut the jambs up to the length of drill and mill seats for the latch and the strike plate. Mark the places where the hinges will be installed on the door leaf. The top hinge should be located 7 or 7/8 inches from the top of the door leaf. You need measure to the top of the hinge barrel. The bottom hinge should be located 7 or 7/8 inches from the bottom of the door leaf. You need measure to the bottom of the hinge barrel. Mark the hinges fastening holes on the door leaf. Make sure that the distance X between the top hinge and the bottom ones at the door frame are equal to the same distance to the door leaf. Drill the holes in accordance with the marking. Screw the hinges to the door leaf. Cut off the top door jamb to fit the door being installed. You need to cut at an angle of 45 degrees. Cut the rubber bands of the seal and connect the top and sides door jamb. Pre-drill the holes before screwing. Screw together the head and the jambs. You should use at least 2 self-tapping screws on each side. Mark the hinges fastening holes on the hinge lamb. The top hinge should be located 8 inches from the jamb chamfer measure to the top of the hinge barrel. The bottom hinge should be located 7 or 7/8 inches from the bottom edge of the jamb. Drill the holes in accordance with the marking. Insert assembled door frame into the opening and fasten it to the wall with at least 3 screws at each side, top, middle and bottom. In order to prevent the frame deflection, the gasket must be installed between the door frame and the wall wedges. The door frame shall be fixed in the wall opening with the self-tapping screws in the places to be covered by the weather strip seal. Insert the weather strip seal into the door frame groove. Insert the door leaf into the door frame and fix the hinges with the screws in the pre-marker places. Install the door latch and the handles according to the installation instructions. Fit and fasten the strike plate according to installation instructions. Cut off the side casing to ensure that they are higher than the door frame on 9/16 inches. Remove the lateral leg in order to fit the side casing. Apply the adhesive on the inner side of the casing leg. Insert the side casing into the groove of the door frame. Measure the distance between the side casing. Cut off the head casing of required length. Apply the adhesive on the inner side of the casing leg. Insert the top casing into the groove of the door frame.